So in this design wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the text opacity here in design wizard. So first you have to do is open up design wizard and then obviously add some text into your design. So go to the left hand side here, press on text. Once you're here, press on either add a heading, add a subheading, or add a paragraph. We will just go ahead and press on add a heading for demonstration purposes. And how about I just type in the word just for the point of this video? I'll type in the word opacity. Opacity. If you pronounce it opacity, my apologies. Maybe I'm mispronouncing it, but you get the point of what I'm trying to say regardless, hopefully. But there you go. I've written out opacity right there. Now to edit the opacity, go to the top bar. So press on the text right here. Go to this top bar beside flip and animation. Simply press on opacity. And then you can either slide this. So as of right now, it's at 100%, so no transparency whatsoever. And if you slide it more to the left, you make the text more transparent. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can edit the text opacity here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.